Welcome today. The Toyota Corolla Monster Pickup boasts a modern and fun look, perfect for those who want to express themselves on the road. Sleek lines, bold grille, and distinctive LED headlights make it stand out. Available in a range of vibrant colors to suit every personality. Spacious cabin with comfortable seating for 5. Smart key system for easy entry and push-button start. A 10.5-inch Toyota audio multimedia touchscreen keeps you connected. The Corolla FX features a 7-inch digital gauge cluster, providing essential information at a glance. The 10.5-inch Toyota audio multimedia touchscreen offers seamless navigation, entertainment, and smartphone integration. Even other Corolla models will benefit from this tech upgrade. 2 engine choices: a fuel-efficient 2.0L inline-4 and a sportier 1.8L turbocharged option. The starting price for the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup is $24,500. Depending on trim level and additional equipment, it can go up to $37,000. Positioned competitively against rivals like the Hyundai Santa Cruz and Ford Maverick 1. Safety features: overlay safety icons. Standard safety suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Peace of mind for both daily commutes and weekend adventures.